Imagine being able to make money all day, even when you're sleeping. That is how powerful passive income is. But exercise caution. There are many dangerous schemes to make quick money on the internet. We dissect safer, more intelligent strategies for generating actual monthly income in this video. Let's get started. I must issue a very serious warning to you before we continue. I'm not a lawyer, financial advisor, or expert advising you on how to spend your money. This video is only meant to be entertaining and educational. There is risk associated with every investment in the world. Your investment could be lost entirely or in part. Therefore, before making any decisions, always conduct your own research. What precisely is passive income then? It's money you make without constantly exchanging your time for it. But keep in mind that getting started almost always involves money or effort. The most crucial rule in all of investing is this: the risk increases with the potential reward. A safe, high and easy income does not exist. Finding the ideal balance for you is our aim. From the safest to the riskiest, let's divide this into 3 easy categories. Tier 1 is the Fort Knox. Let's begin with the most secure choices, or what I refer to as the Fort Knox tier. This includes your bank's CDs and high-yield savings accounts. First and foremost, you want to protect your money. Your earnings will be modest but consistent. It won't make you wealthy, but it's ideal for funds you can't afford to lose, such as an emergency fund. Tier 2 is the balanced builders. Let's now discuss the sweet spot, a well-rounded strategy. Dividend ETFs are useful in this situation. Consider an exchange-traded fund, ETF, as a basket that contains small shares of numerous companies. You spread your money out for safety rather than risking it all on one stock. Businesses that have a track record of giving investors a portion of their profits are included in these baskets. This implies that you can make a steady living without taking on a lot of risk. This is the ideal location for many people to begin generating genuine, long-term passive income. Tier 3 is the higher stakes game. Let's finally discuss the options that carry the highest stakes. This includes things like certain real estate funds. Your monthly income may increase as a result of these investments. However, the risk is much higher for this greater reward. Your investment's value is subject to rapid fluctuations. A beginner shouldn't begin with these because they are more complicated. Never forget that the possibility of earning more money requires you to be at ease with the potential for greater losses. Now, what are you supposed to do? First, tell the truth about the level of risk you can tolerate. If market fluctuations will cause you to lose sleep, don't pursue large returns. Then, simply begin your research. Learn about one thing, such as a dividend exchange-traded fund, ETF. Starting with a very small sum of money is possible with a standard brokerage account. Keep in mind that creating a real income is a marathon, not a sprint, and requires patience and time. Just starting your research today is the most crucial step. You can begin generating safer passive income in this way. Just keep in mind that this is instruction, not counsel. Do your own research at all times. Please like this video if it was useful. The channel is genuinely supported by it. For more straightforward advice on managing your finances, sign up for Monetive. Thank you for viewing.